Hi, friends. Once again, we are here with the healing sound. This healing sound is the last one. There are six healing sounds from lung to this one. This one is called as triple warmer. Why it is called a triple warmer? Because the body is divided into three regions. That is the upper region, the middle region, and the lower region. The upper region has got the brains, the heart, the lungs, and these are all called hot. This area is called as hot. Then comes the middle region where we have the kidney, liver, pancreas, spleen, stomach. This is called as a warm region. Then you go down, it's called a lower region where you have the small intestines, large intestines, and the bladder and the sexual organs. So the three regions. Hot is supposed to be brought down and the cold has to go up. Actually, it's supposed to get balanced in the body. The cold rises, when the hot comes down, the cold rises up through the digestive system and goes out. Doing this sound reduces the stress levels in your body and it gives good responses to the immune system. It's actually one of the best things you can ever do. It's very simple, it is. The sound is H E E E E E E and is pronounced as he. This is done before you get out of the bed in the morning or before you go to sleep. Before going to sleep is very good. You can even do it standing or you can even do it inclining. There's no problem as such. But the best is lying down. So when you're lying on the bed at the back, keep your palms straight up, right? It's facing up in the sides. And then you breathe in. Breathe in fully through the nostril. And while breathing out, you breathe out through the mouth, making this sound of he. Okay, I'll just show you. He. Do it 3 times. He. After doing 3 times, you should do one more thing. What you should do? Same way you lie down flat and the palm up in the sides. But this time, what you do? You think that you're breathing until your soul. Breathe until your soul, and then you think that a road roller is going on your body, pressing your stomach and chest, and you're making the he noise. Very simple it is. It doesn't take a big deal out of it. So, he. This is such a simple thing to get your stress out. Do it daily. Do it 3 times in the morning, 3 times in the afternoon, 3 times at night. And do as many as time as possible. There's no problem as such. This will help you. Definitely will help you to balance the heat in the body, reduce the stress, and regulate the immune system of the body. I hope you'll do it. Thank you for listening.